Welcome back to my channel. So this is the final look for Valentine's. I'm hoping that I can really edit this quickly and get this up before Valentine's. It's such a beautiful and affordable look, guys. All the products that I used in this video is totally affordable. I actually purchased all of my products from Walmart, but these are products that I had in between, and some of them are a little bit newer. And as I did mention in my last video, I did cut my hair and I'm so happy. It's so much easier to style and maintain. I've had it for a little bit over a week and I'm in love with it. The color is a lot more my tone. I have to get a hang of using my flat iron to curl my hair, but practice makes perfect. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful, I didn't expect it to turn out or look this beautiful. It is looking so much beautiful in real. I hope my camera really shows how beautiful this look is. Yeah, so with that said, guys, so if you want to see how I did this look, then keep watching. Okay, so first off, I'm going to go in with some primer, and the one here I'm using is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer, and I'm just going to apply this all over my entire face. This time I'm actually using this as my face primer, and I'm going to apply it as my eyeshadow primer too. It does feel a bit smooth. It doesn't feel silicone-y like the Smashbox primer. This feels like a moisturizer actually. It blends into the skin nicely and smoothly and quickly. And I'm really loving this primer. You know, for someone who has very oily eyelids, it really does help with mattifying the eyeshadow and helping the eyeshadow last longer without creasing and, you know, the oiliness coming through. So this time I'm remembering to color correct. Here I'm just gonna get some of the product onto the tip and color correct these dark circles under my eyes and a little bit on my forehead area and my cheek area where I have some dark pigmentation. I'm noticing some here as well, some dark spots. And as I mentioned in my last video, guys, this product does dry very quickly, so you have to work quickly with it, or either just don't apply so much at once, you know, just work in areas at a time. It's kind of like a good thing and a bad thing, you know what I mean? And for foundation, I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and my shade is 320, or at least that's the closest I could have gotten to it. I'm just gonna apply some of this to my brush, and I'm just using the Morphe Y6 brush. I'm not too sure if this is my shade, but I think it should work. Kinda liking this foundation and I'm kinda not. Like with this foundation, I can see all my pores, you know, through the foundation. So for that reason, I don't like it. Like I feel like it just doesn't sit well on my skin. And I'm just going to bring it down my neck. So I'm just going to take whatever is left on my brush and take it up under my eye area. And for concealer, I'm just using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles. This is in the shade Sand, guys, and I think this might be a little bit too light for me. So I'm just gonna go in and brighten up this under eye area. I'm not liking how this is applying on my skin. I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit more. This time I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend this out. And this is looking so bright. I'm not really liking this concealer, guys. I don't know, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. I'm just going to set my eyelids area and the under eye area as well. And I'm gonna use the same powder as well to set the rest of my face, guys. This concealer is just so horrible on my skin tone. Okay, so for brows, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. So I'm just gonna go in with this and use this to fix my brows. I hope this works. This is the first time I'm using this product. With a brush, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of it and I'm going to sketch my eyebrows out. I forgot to mention, guys, that this is the darkest shade. What shade is this? This is 260. It's deep brown. So far, it's not a bad product, but we shall see. Okay, so brows are on, guys, and I'm kind of digging this product, really. I'm kind of really liking this product. So I just placed some shadow shields to create that line that I'm looking for. So for the eyeshadows, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline The City Mini palette. And this one that I'm using is Chill Brunch Neutrals. It's the number 410. So I'm just basically going in with this shade right here. And I'm applying that to my entire crease area. And I'm slightly trying to take this up a little bit higher than my actual crease too. So when I open my eyes, you know, you can actually see the transition shade. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the darker shade and I'm going to apply this to the outer area and the inner area. And I'm just kind of going into the crease area just to round it off a little bit. You know, and just blend everything, make everything look seamless. Next, I'm just going to go in with this shade right here and I'm just going to pick up some of that on my finger and apply this to the negative space on my eyelid where I have no eyeshadow. And I feel like I'm just not seeing this enough. I'm not quite satisfied with the way this is turning out, but I just need the center portions to pop a little bit more. So for that, I'm just going to go in with some of my NYX matte finish spray and I'm going to spray my MAC 242 brush. I'm just going to go in and pick up some of this color and apply it to my eyelid just so I can get a little bit more of a pop. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Curvitude liner. I'm going to use this to create my wing. I'm going to start on the outer area and make my wing. Okay, so now I'm just going to remove my shadow shields. Okay, now I just need to fix my under eye area. I'm just going to go back in with my sponge and the same powder, just to fix the under eye area. So next I'm just going to go back in with the same darker color and I'm going to pick up some of this on a pencil brush and apply it to my lower lash line. And I'm only dragging it like towards 2/3 towards the inner corner. I'm not dragging it all the way in. So now I'm just going to go in and tightline, and for that I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Matte-Matic eyeliner and I'm just using this to tightline. Okay, I'm just going to continue lining my lower lash line with the same pencil. Okay, I'm just going to smudge this out a little bit with the same pencil brush. And whatever product there was left on the brush, that's what I'm just smudging the lower lash line out with. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I know in the clip you saw a brand new one, guys, but this is what I'm working with. It actually fell. Don't want to use my brand new one just yet, so I'm just gonna stick with this one and use this one to bronze my face. Yeah, so I'm just gonna bronze the perimeters of my face and use it to contour as well. So for blush, I'm using my NYX Ombre Blush, and this is in the shade Nude to Me. I'm just going to apply a little bit to the apples of my cheek, just a hint. Okay, and for highlighter, I'm using my Maybelline Mastercamo Metallic Highlighter, and this is in the shade Molten Rose Gold. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that to highlight my eyebrow area. some on the inner corners of my eyes. And I need to highlight my cheek. A little bit on my upper lip area and some on my chin. So for mascara, I'm just gonna go in with my CoverGirl Total Tease mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara, guys. I'm just gonna curl them. Okay, and I'm just going to apply some mascara. Just gonna apply maybe 1 or 2 coats, maybe 1, because I'm gonna go in with some falsies. How beautiful these lashes are with just mascara. Beautiful bottom lashes as well. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some lashes, and the lashes that I'm using is from Dodo Lashes, and this is in the style D109. So I'm just gonna apply some falsies now, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my eyelashes are finally on. I'm kind of liking these lashes. So for the lips, I'm just gonna line my lips with this lip pencil, and it's in the shade Spice by the Apple brand. I have no idea. It may seem like I'm overdrawing my bottom lip. It's only because one side of my lip is a little bit lower than the other side. I think you can tell. So I still think that this side needs a little bit more. This is just so that my lip can look even. And for the lips, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss, and this is in the shade 318. It's Bare Attraction. So next I'm just going to go in with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and I'm going to mist my entire face. And this is the final look, guys. It turned out so much better than what I anticipated. While doing the eyes, I was starting to feel a little bit that it wasn't gonna turn out the way I expected it to turn out, or it wasn't gonna look pretty. But it is looking pretty, and I am in love with it, guys. It's such a beautiful, tiny little palette that packs a punch. So with that said, guys, I hope you did enjoy this Valentine's video. And please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. I have been losing subscribers lately. I don't know why, but it's okay. I'm hanging in there. For those of you who are new to my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe. I am getting in a little bit more of a filming and editing vibe. I'm kind of happy with the way my lighting is at the moment and my camera. I'm kind of happy. That's why I'm putting out a little bit more videos than before. Before I just wasn't happy, so that's why I wasn't filming. But now I think I'm happy with my setup and the way it's looking. I know I can do a little bit better, but I'm getting there. I'm trying. So with that said, guys, and don't forget to check out the description box for a list of products that I used and my Instagram link. You can follow me there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, so now I need to... Really? Seriously? What the hell? Seriously? Oh my goodness. My Morphe brush. I have to glue this back.